Hello everyone, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 14th, 2022. No, because in today's newspaper we have only one regular puzzle, a Sudoku with medium. And I've decided to solve the yesterday's edition. To finish the yesterday's edition of Wednesday, April the 13th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. Yes, with 1 star. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10, 11 printed digits. Tectonic with 1 star, number 4409. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes in this puzzle. No single boxes. I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes here also. A dual box contains the 1 and the 2, 1 and 2. A triple box I see here. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. The 1 is already filled in. The 2 and the 3, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember, the box near the middle box, this box, is always 4 or a 5. What we see here are 4, so it cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright, more triple boxes? No. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. And the other numbers, I need to wait. I need more information. Next step is to recognize, the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape upside down. The T shape upside down. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And also that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 4 out of 6, because maximum is 6 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. But not in this puzzle, only 4. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then it's easy, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and a 5. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 5. But we already have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? That box can it be a 3? So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can it be a 4? That box can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Okay. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1 also. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3. Well, this box is also connected with that box, should be also there, also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, it's in the same area. A 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box is reserved for the 1 or a 2. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be 3? So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box should be here. These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes for a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, have a great and fantastic Thursday. Tomorrow, yeah, we have here in the Netherlands, yeah, Easter is coming, so yeah, tomorrow the Easter will start. Friday, Good Friday, we have here Good Friday. I don't know if other countries have a Good Friday, but the Easter Sunday and the Monday, 2 Easter days we have here. Anyway, have a great Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.